popularly called is tilapia fish. In Nigeria, we call it okuiko. So there were 4 that he bought yesterday. So these are 4 of them. And guess how much it costs? £5. So I thanked my hubby, but I told him that next time he should please tell them to at least cut it, because you know here we are so busy taking time out to start cutting and cleaning. It takes a lot of time, but I have to just encourage him so that next time he will still help me to do the shopping, because he saw that I was busy. That's why he did it. Then he also bought, this is also another type of fish. What's the name? Frozen red fish sticks. That's it. I don't know how much he bought it for, but this one now is not going to give me work because this one is already cut. So he bought 2 of these because we are all trying to keep health in the house. So let us see how many pieces this one has. That's 1, 2, 3, that's a 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. So this one has been cut already and cleaned, so I don't really need to do much work there. So this is the second one. Let's see. I just cut it open with my knife. So let's see how many pieces are inside. This 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means we have an average of 7. The first pack was 7, so this one is 6. This one is red fish sticks. So I have 13 pieces of fish there. This is the fish. So I want to cut the tilapia. So let me see. I will cut this one into 4. I like removing the head. I'm not from Isha, but I don't like taking the head. Yes, so I'm going to cut this one into 4. That's it, 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so that's 4. And then I'll also cut this one into 4 pieces. No, this one is not up to 4. This one is just 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. This is just 3 pieces. This one also will be 3 pieces. Let me cut it. See my knife. My knife is very big because they said the knife is too big and sharp, but I like it because it makes cooking and cutting things, you know, easy for me. So this is the last one. I will also cut this one into 3 pieces. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yes, see the head. I like removing the head. So that's it. So I want to clean it now. So what I do, I've already cut it, so I just push it and pull it out. That's it. It's clean. But I told my husband that next time he should please ask them to cut it, so it will be easier for me. You know, here we are very busy. We like soft life. So that's it. This one is big, sizable pieces. So this came to 13 pieces. The other one is also 13 pieces. So that's 26 pieces of fish. 2 species of fish I'm going to use to make stew. So just so let me just clean the fish. So this is how I clean mine. I don't know how you do yours, because when you cut it, I like to defrost and you cut it. Once you just pull it, it will come out. This is the things inside.